So in this problem, we're going to be converting this angle of 88 degrees, 15 minutes, and 3 seconds in decimal degrees. Decimal degrees meaning just with decimals only, we're not going to use minutes and we're not going to use seconds. And it also says to round to 3 decimal places, so we need to be careful of that once we get to the final answer. So to convert this, which has minutes and seconds, into decimal degrees, first, 88 degrees can just be 88 degrees. That's okay. Now, 15 minutes, you have to think, okay, how many minutes are in an hour? Well, you know that there's 60 minutes in an hour, or in a degree, same thing. In the 60, you have 50, or 15, so you write 15 over 60. And then for 3 seconds, you have to ask yourself, okay, how many seconds are in a degree or an hour? Same thing. You know that there's 3,600. Why 3,600? Because you know that there's 60 minutes in a degree and there's 60 seconds in a minute, so 60 times 60 gives you 3,600. And on top, you would write 3. And then all you have to do is just plug that into the calculator, do 88 plus 15 divided by 60 plus 3 divided by 3,600, and then you plug that into the calculator and you would get 88.2508, and it looks like 3 repeating. So that's your answer, but again, you have to round to 3 decimal places. 3 decimal places meaning 1, 2, 3, so you want to stop there. You look at the 8. The 8 tells you what happens to 0. 8 is bigger than 5, so that means that the 0 rounds up. So the answer would be 88.251 degrees. So just to recap, we want to find this angle, which has it in degrees, minutes, and seconds, to decimal degrees. And we did that by just first adding the degree 88 to 15 over 60 plus 3 over 3,600. And you would do that for any type of problem like this. If it was 45 minutes, if it was 37 minutes, if it was 21 minutes, whatever, it's going to be that over 60. So 60 always stays the same. Same thing with this 3,600. It doesn't matter if it's 3 seconds, it doesn't matter if it's 10 seconds, 47 seconds. You would just write that all over 3,600. And then just plug that into the calculator and then just round to the appropriate number of decimal places, and that's it. So the answer would be, for this problem, 88.251 degrees. And that's it.